I didn't notice you all had your mask on. Should I get my mask on?
They're optional. We just all wear them as a staff because there's so few of us. Sure,
Okay.
turn it on.
Oh, let me get
Once
around.
the fob is like nearby.
You mind if I take?
Oh no, that's fine.
Okay.
What you do is here, I'll turn it off. This is how you.
So the only part that's functional is that center. Oh no, the center, the top portion.
Mm-hmm.
Any
Here's
of
little
this?
things. Some of the stuff here,
Illuminous as well.
and that is just
Okay.
kind of how it is.
Pretty neat.
And then you have all your little,
The modes.
yeah. Let's go back onto here.
Yes,
Wait, it's this.
Yes,
This one.
ABS.
Yeah.
Okay, everything is
then-
done with the joystick there.
Yeah.
I take it ABS flashes until you move.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So once you actually like turn it on, obviously, some of this changes some more, but we can't really, do that too much in here.
Mess with it, yeah.
And then this is how you get to your little trip settings, your odometer. Here you can
Okay.
set up your different things. You can kind of set up the screen on this. Wait, let me cancel that. You can set up the screen on this to have it specialized how you want it on this display setup. And that allows you to kind of fix what's over here for easy access. Set up some of these little buttons to make it
Gotcha.
easier for what
So
you
it's
think
all,
you'll be doing.
It's all thumb driven.
But yeah, so that way you can, do
Heated-
what's
heated
most
grips.
comfortable for you. Yep. Yep. Comes standard with heated grips.
Do we see any issues with these, more or less?
No, not really. Obviously.
So who is this bike made for? For the hooligan? For the non-cruiser guy? The cruiser guy?
Yeah, we typically see it for like pretty experienced riders who want something that's like comfortable, but a little less bulky than a standard
Right.
touring cruiser.
Now, are you able to put bags on this thing, or is it just one of those low?
Nope, we have bag options for it. Triumph has bag options, and then there's obviously aftermarket as well.
Very nice. Very nice. So for maintenance, I think you said 2 years initially or whatnot. You can add 2.
Yeah, you can add as well. We have quite a few expanded warranty options. The pricing of those all kind of differs per bike, and they know all of that much more than I do. But you can extend it for, I believe, up to the last day of your 2 years. You can add another 3 years as well. So that would get you 5.
That's amazing. 2,500 cc's. What can you do with this exhaust? Can you actually do something with this exhaust aftermarket? Do you know of any aftermarket companies that make something for this? Is this titanium?
Let's look it up.
What's the competition for this? Is this a Ducati Diavolo or something? Or
The best direct competition for the Rocket.
It kind of isn't. The only thing that's even comparable is the Ducati Diavolo.
yeah,
and
that's what I was
it's
thinking.
still a smaller motor than the Rocket. It's like in its own class almost. Of muscle.
It's on muscle class, huh?
Yeah.
It's on island.
Yeah. The thing is awesome. Yeah, it's very light.
Very loud. Your neighbors will know when you go to work tomorrow.
Okay, so I just asked that one, just the most common one that we see.
Right.
It's an aftermarket exhaust. It is this one here. There are many videos that they were saying how loud it is. It also only weighs 5 pounds, and so this one, yeah.
Wow, this is a nice machine. How do you adjust the shock from where it is? Is that something that's, or is it electric? I think it might be electric. Is it electric suspension? Because the way it is, I don't know if it's easily, well, there is some, yeah, you could adjust it from here. At least I think rebound. It's a gigantic engine, the size of a Mini Cooper's engine. Might be bigger than Mini Cooper's engine.
Bigger than my Kia Soul. So,
My goodness.
sorry, I'm wiping off
Yeah, that's a lot of engine.
all the fingerprints I put on it, touching it.
So thanks for watching. Let's just say I got a chance to ride both the Rocket 3R and the Tiger 1200, and they were both great bikes. I actually went down to take a look at the Rocket 3R specifically. I think I was going to have this bike on the channel. However, after riding it, I did not have the feel that I wanted, that I was looking for. The bike was said to be quite fast. Obviously, I'm used to fast bikes, from Gixxers to Ducatis to you name it. Not to brag or praise, but just to say that I've been on fast bikes, and I didn't feel it on that bike. And the track's a little funny to me. And the seat was great. It's not a review on the bike specifically. We just kind of went in and chatted, get the visuals for the bike, get the feel for it, the ergonomics of it. But in the end, I ended up bringing home a different bike, and actually traded in my Africa Twin for the Tiger 1200. So needless to say, there's a new bike on the channel. Make some videos on it eventually. But the Rocket 3R was just not for me. I ended up riding it. I don't have the, my battery ended up dying on the Insta360 X3, and I didn't have a spare. So we didn't capture that, but I may go back and ride it if anybody wants to see that. But other than that, I think it's a great bike for whoever it's made for. But for now, I'll pass. I keep an eye. Maybe something I'll go back and revisit at a later time. Again, thanks for everyone that's watching these posts. I hope you all do like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this was at Motor Richmond in Midlothian, Richmond, and the ladies there were just great. The whole staff was great. Women-owned shop. Lots of the staff are women. Just outstanding environment. Hope you all visit them and give them an opportunity to earn your business. I'll probably be making some more videos from there as I get any cool stuff that comes in. So again, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Ride to the Sun. I appreciate everyone. A few subscribers for now, but we're going to grow slowly. And if you do happen to subscribe, I appreciate it. And shout out to my last subscriber, Eric 00121, I think. And again, I hope everyone have a great week. This is October 2022. This is a fall. A lot of videos I'm making right now, I'm including a lot of the riding in it because it's one of my favorite parts of the year, and I'm enjoying it. So thanks a lot, and hopefully you watch to the end.